Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Advanced Battery Blueprint in Subnautica 2. To get the Advanced Battery Blueprint, start from the Research Outpost, located about 1,300 meters east of your life pod. From there, face a heading of 105 degrees on your compass and keep swimming straight. As you travel, maintain a depth of around 230 meters to make the destination easier to spot. Swim past the alien power plant, and you'll eventually reach a plateau with a man-made platform that has a cable hanging from its edge. Swim up to the platform and you'll find the first advanced battery sitting on top of a crate. Pull out your scanner and scan it. For the second fragment, follow the hanging cable down to the ocean floor. You'll find another group of man-made objects below, with the second advanced battery resting nearby. Scan it to complete the blueprint, and don't forget to collect any useful loot while you're there. After unlocking the blueprint, return to your base and craft advanced batteries using 1 conduit crystal, 1 strong acid, and 1 silver ingot. They're a worthwhile upgrade since they hold significantly more charge than standard batteries. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.